coming down on a sunny day. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Clive's English Corner, and welcome to episode number 2 of Rockstar English, guys. And today I brought a song that maybe you're familiar with it if you are a millennial like me or older, and if you're younger, please listen to this wonderful song. You won't regret it. You may wonder why I chose Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Number one is because, let's be honest here, I love the song. I used to listen to the song when I was little because, my mom specifically used to listen to all these classic rock songs. And the second and most important reason, it's because it contains the phrase, have you ever? Have you ever? It's a typical phrase of the tense present perfect. Oh no, tenses. The structure, have you ever, is a structure that you use to talk about an experience you had in the past and that happened, from the moment you were born until today, in that time frame, and there's no specific time when that happened. And so you ask friends or whoever you're talking to and you go like, have you ever tried caviar? Have you ever been to France? Have you ever ice skated? Okay, so if you have done it once, so then you say, yes, I have. Or if you have never experienced this, you go, no, I haven't. Basically, guys, what this phrase boils down to, you can apply it with any pronoun or any person for that matter. So you go, have you ever, has she ever, has he ever, okay? And you're basically asking if this person throughout his history, if this person has experienced something or done something. So if you did something, you don't remember when, and you say, oh yeah, I have tried ramen, or I have been to Brazil. Does that make sense? So have you ever been overseas? Oh yeah, I have been overseas, right? And so it can be used with all the pronouns and names and whatever you want to use it with. So there you have it, guys. So now let's take a listen to that whole song, shall we? Someone told me long ago, there is calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so to say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterdays and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, and it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever So there you have it, guys. Episode number 2 of Rockstar English, guys. Remember, if you like this lesson, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it with a friend who likes music and wants to learn some English. And also, drop a comment with the song you would like me to cover and break down, explain its peculiar English structure for you guys to learn. And I will see you guys in the next one.